Hello everyone, welcome back to my video. Today we are going to learn an important topic, singular and plural. Singular means one and plural means more than one. Today I am going to read some singular and plural words. So listen carefully and repeat after me. Let's start. First, eraser, erasers. Second, thing, things. Third, tape, tapes. Four, book, books. Five, donkey, donkeys. Six, planet, planets. Seven, land, lands. Eight, trophy, trophies. 9, star, stars. 10, road, roads. 11, bird, birds. 12, mountain, mountains. 13, giant, giants. 14, medal, medals. 15, day, days. So, this was our singular and plural word reading. I hope you understood all the words and enjoy learning them. Keep practicing and keep learning. Thank you for watching my video. See you in the next video. Thank you and have a nice day. Bye bye.